Welcome to How to Literally, where we keep it simple, smart, and scam-free. Today, we're comparing Clay.com and Apollo.io to see which one's actually better for outreach and lead generation. Clay.com focuses on data enrichment and automations. It pulls info from over 50 sources to help you build smart lead lists. You can combine tools like Clearbit, LinkedIn, and even OpenAI in one visual workflow. It's kind of like Notion meets Zapier for outbound. Apollo.io, on the other hand, is a full-stack sales platform. It offers a built-in database of millions of contracts, email automation, dialer tools, and tracking, great if you want an all-in-one outreach engine right out of the box. If you want flexibility and custom workflows, Clay is more creative and powerful. But if you just want speed and scale without building your own stack, Apollo is the plug-and-play option. If you're technical or want to get really targeted, Clay gives you more control. If you're a team looking for ready-to-go tools, Apollo.io might save you time. That's the breakdown, smart, simple, and scam-free. This is How to Literally. Catch you in the next one.